Mountain goat tread for the mountain goat. Alright guys, so we are out on this beautiful evening to test out the new front tire on the TW here. If you guys didn't see the install video that I did, it'll be linked down in the description if you want to check it out. This is going to be a Kenda K257D. This tire is obviously not meant for the road, as you can tell by the, like 3/4, 1 inch long knobbies on it. But I think it's definitely worth at least testing it out on the asphalt a bit, so we're going to do that first. I was definitely interested in knowing how this would do before I purchased it, so I figure you guys are too. So this isn't completely scrubbed in. I've only got a couple miles on it, so I'm not going to go too hard on the corners here, but I have been testing it a little bit, and it does feel a little uneasy, and I think that's just because those lugs are so long. Obviously there's going to be a little bit of rollover with them, but it's not really bad. I mean, as long as you're expecting it, and I think once, look at that fog in the field, that's cool. I think once it's completely scrubbed in, I'll probably be pushing it a little bit more. As far as just cruising down the road at 40, even 55, we had 50, it's pretty smooth. I mean, the bike buzzes around quite a bit, obviously. I don't think the tire added any buzz to the handlebars or the footrests or anything, but it's, like I said, surprisingly smooth. Hello, Mrs. Deer. I really thought it was going to be a big downgrade in that sense. Let's see how fast we can corner here. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just being a little bit hesitant just because I'm afraid that it's still a little bit slippery, but yeah, it does just fine. One thing that I have noticed in this tire that I think I tested out with the stock tire a bit, and this one is definitely much worse, is the death wobble when you give a little bit of input. Now, I haven't run into a death wobble at all just on its own, but if you give it a little bit of input, it really takes off on you, and it straightens itself out. But I mean, I think it's wobbling back and forth so much just because of those big lugs on there. And again, this tire is not it's not intended for the road. It's DOT approved, but it is definitely intended for off-road use. I'll definitely try to push it a bit more, and I can keep you guys updated. For those of you that are subscribed, if you want to be subscribed and see every video that I put up, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Hello, dear. Click the bell after you're subscribed, so it lets you know every time I put a video out, which is at least once a week. But for now, let's take this tire where it really is intended to be, and that is off the pavement. Ooh, look at that fog. Fog, 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 fog. So let's see how it does. Woo! Not so great on the gravel. Not really sure what that's about. You wouldn't think it would do any worse than Deathwing did. Oh, yikes, what's going on here? Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'm just not giving enough credit. I think I don't know, it does feel a little bit unstable once you get on the side, but who knows? Yeah, I don't really know what to say. Maybe it'll just take a little bit of getting used to. I was really thinking that this would definitely grab the gravel more, but I don't know, I guess maybe there is something about it that just doesn't quite work just right on the gravel. Obviously in the deep nasty mud and in actual dirt, this will probably grab exceptionally well, and I guess I didn't necessarily buy it for gravel, but I don't know, it does make you feel a little bit uneasy. Sure is a beautiful night for a ride though. Look at that moon. How cool. The moment we have all been waiting for. Let's see how this baby does on the dirt. Oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. I think honestly part of the problem with any tire you put on this bike is that you don't really have a whole lot of weight on it from the bike itself. You gotta make sure you're giving it enough weight to, woo, wrong gear for that, to keep it pushed down into the ground a bit. Woo. Don't really have that problem on the Tenere. Was I in third gear? I think I got a little excited and upshifted without the clutch there at some point. Well, I gotta say, I'm definitely going a bit faster than I was the last time I was here with the Deathwing. You guys probably can't see it, but I am trying to kind of push this as much as I can. You guys probably can't see me at all when I'm standing, can you? There we go. Oh, look at the sky. It's pretty much where I'm at when I'm standing on this. Really hunched over. Can you see me down there? Hello. Let's see. Whoa. We'll go this way. It'll be a little muddy. Woo. People say I don't take good care of my bikes. I think this thing is probably in the best shape of its life, other than brand new. Got new shock boots on it. Brand new, clean, oiled filter. Air filter. I guess the guy that I bought it from supposedly changed the oil right before I bought it. And brand new tire on the front. Big old Kanabi. Look at that big hunk of meat down there. Woo! Still no skid plate though. Holy man. Really thought I was gonna hit that rock. You guys been watching all the review videos, or not review videos, all the part install videos that I've been doing on this? Even days. I don't think I can go that way. Can I? Oh no, I think I could have. Ooh, let's do one of these. Oh, how embarrassing. What does this say? Even days. Well, slipped in the sand a little bit there. I do kind of wonder if maybe a tire with a little bit smaller knob on it would be better for this bike. Like I said, just because this thing is so light. Don't get me wrong, the thing looks super cool on there, but I do wonder if maybe something that would be a little bit easier to press into the dirt would be better than these big 1x1 knobs on here. But I don't know, I mean, it is really just hard to say. I mean, I guess I don't know what this bike itself with the steering geometry and everything is capable of with a good tire, so I guess I'm really having a hard time deciding. I mean, I think, oops, I want to go this way, I think. I want to say that I'm impressed, but I mean, again, obviously, you know, I am making a push a little bit here and there. I mean, I guess if you really want to, you can probably make anything push, other than maybe a train on a rail. And I guess if you really tried with that, I'm sure you could do that too. So it's all just a matter of mathematics, right? So the hardpack dirt, whoa, hello. It definitely seems like it's doing its job. I never really go too hard on my tractionator that I've got on the Tenere, just because that's a bit heavier of a bike and not something you want to be trying to push around. Oh, look at all these rocks. Yikes. I suppose this is all rutted out from all that rain the last couple weeks. Should really try to like side hill on a rock, shouldn't I? Oh yeah, no problem there. Yeah, no complaints. Looking good, looking good. Oh, no, I'm just going around in circles. Better not go that way, huh? Oh, yeah. Mountain goat tread for the mountain goat. The coolness of that wheelie was definitely outweighed by the goofiness of the, what the heck was that? Goofiness of my goat noise. But you know what? I don't care. Oh, there was the skid plate or something. Not good. I ordered a new skid plate. Just haven't quite got it yet. And I think I decided I wasn't going to do anything crazy until I did get it. Oh well, hope the stock one did okay. Got a nice pristine water down there. Fancy myself a swim. Actually did that earlier today. Oh, here we go. Oh, geez. Hi, dear. Did not see you there. Oh, boy. I would say I'm happy and impressed. Again, like I said earlier, I would like to know, I guess, how much better a smaller lugged tire would do. I don't really know if the difference would be noticeable, or if maybe it would, honestly, and I kind of have a sneaking suspicion that it would be, but I don't know, it looks cool anyway, right? And maybe I'm confused on that and incorrect and completely wrong, who knows? So I guess feel free to share your knowledge of tires and TWs. Make sure you're subscribed so you can follow along with the build series of the TW and stay informed on what we're doing with it, and I'd love to have you back and watching. Take care, stay safe, stay swanky, get out and enjoy this beautiful world.